When PPL uses drones to inspect our overhead lines, we're focusing specifically on our equipment on our poles, as well as identifying possible defects that can cause sustained outages to our customers, and we're trying to minimize that. Drone flights are conducted Monday through Friday between the hours of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We do not fly on any public holidays, weekends, or at nights. When we conduct these drone flights, they stop at each pole, inspecting the equipment on the pole for a maximum of 3 minutes. With safety as our primary focus, PPL utilizes certified drone pilots in airspace that is approved by the FAA prior to drone flights. The drones are focusing specifically on equipment on our poles as well as our lines. It is not focused on any surrounding area. Using drones is just one way that PPL utilizes technology to improve the reliability for our customers. You depend on us, we deliver.